Falcon 6X F pass in the mutie and I we man kofano baby away on that's way or said the Falcon company on my plane on my website in here passengers up to 12 to 16 and now have parliament because now I know my designating to be a presidential jet to be placed that down now emuni say in the mutie around $60.6 million.
Okay.
A little kakra me kan won say okuya to be ka say plane no engine ba ko crash bit man tena me ka say sem phone o keka say you know I policy e metra so sometimes you need to be careful.
Yeah.
And I like the NDC. You know why? Tell me nipa 18 me catch say we shouldn't miss an opportunity to miss an opportunity. I look at the when you sing Ghana ko to plane na ya kase ko to plane dey won ho say na nkete. But because of the
you see
as
I did
answer bag I'm say that because someone take your opportunity there no more attack here. You see the hypocrisy and the double standard of the normal average food soldier.
But once I said they be have a cast almost superma can't say nipa na we are here the biggest judge is your conscience. Just clear your conscience. Be true to your conscience and that's
you
it.
Leverage your opportunity. Ghana ko to play $60.6 million oh.
Yes.
Yenti dede. Helicopters here Toma home. And you see helicopter reports in the buy. What here some no kind be. Say plane tour. In real time you can't track it. I looked at everywhere in the world. The top 3 most powerful ministers is a minister responsible for defense. Plane na NDC for na be kan senke na say President Mahama FUB 1 TB. Plane no mo say alleged near residing kete so FUB 1 TB.
Now say interior minister senko FUB yes.
That plane according to me ho menya aviation those am me meteorology claim aviation meteorology no na weather. Me full plane me technical committee ni say plane tour it mean tracking.
Me ana twetwe maso kakra.
Tio.
Twetwe maso kakra.
Plane ke say president be full number 1 gentleman. Enjaluta me meka say the okuya tenku the MPP omuzo master to learn. How to casameter plane na engine ba kwa say yes president continent. But no me read about the other Falcon. Aluta to supposed to give us 20 years. You started procurement somewhere 2008 or so about 5 years or 4 years later. Into you know the maturity time. Into you then say a come back to a command by education. There should be a committee. ABA liquid soap will be at the war home na ABA engine will be at the gum na ni na then
do be if you good ties no na nya dey ahwe ho asem.
Oh, Jaluta here kotoni na helicopters e better for helicopter no we I think 8175 and away 8160. Say military na come in fact. Utie the member of parliament for Sun South honorable Ntim Fodua on the 6th of October or on the 6th of October 2024 the military met I think at somewhere where they did a proper research Charlie. We need tools. And on we hear the man. Too sure. Those on Mobo to idea, but I like the push of the MPP. It was resounding. And the NDC should take a cue from it. Your name may be a baswa. We should not always look out for political. Oh yes, what can I cook for the jet? I thought it was also excessive. You bet me a hand the better. I have a car. So they be a behind a bit when I can crabby a bit not to me do a cover there.
Yes.
But the maintenance culture. You look at scan a view. Oh sure. Falcon na me kind of be picture no. I don't know if presidential they should just long range initiative we president. Military ni bi no better than the idea. President. Now say mama Jane ko Angola. Or the jata in a coin. And you see the country no because the NDC has a resounding something. People are not thinking about certain things. If something should happen, why should a private person's plane carry our president around? I mean, where does this happen? Where does this happen? Which advanced country will allow a private citizen's plane to carry the country's president? That is what I'm saying. That sometimes they overly it's not a hamino. It's not a war politics, but I have say we are doing our country. But we bring NDC and PP sex position. Only NDC position to me no here. That is what we are doing. Because look at her. Sky Ekuche, Falcon, Yaman America, parliamentary record, $60.68 million. A bit my name be brave.
That's a lot of money.
Helicopters now see 100 and tell them can H160, any H175, 925 million euros or euros. and it's roughly $145 billion million dollars. You can remember about $210 million. Yes. So we must ensure say yakotoba the various maintenance culture. Yebeye. Na politicians no mo kasa dodo. I mean who some media audios ni bi. As a lithium di. Bubu ma kuje to some kind kromu ha. They should tread cautiously. When it comes to certain matters of the state, let's put our political issues aside.
And I also think, in as much as say about politicians, me no so nyina yeka ho.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
No nyina yeka ho because yeah the microphones in the morning.
Yes.
So when you open your microphone for a guest what he says ought to be sieved. Ought to be regulated.
Because me na me ma me say play na inji ba kwasa as president me yi.
Yes.
Ha aluta Ghana ni anya ni fu president sebe bibi si no pa. 80 we. What the president for almost 2 days not to make a public appearance That tells you the magnitude of the thing. So on time for politics ni toncha ni enkoto. Ye ba liku so pe papa enkoto. Se cover bi nya na kokwa yes because me kan no. Man kan wie na me time aso. On website ni wan so betima ko read bi. So e fa nipa 12 to 16 ba na maten say utimi ye remodel bi. Na pay with 2 enya kufo de ni bi etimi ko gina ba bi ni ansan de fu abegu ansan na 2 and to there bi enya car winji ayi winji won so to no afele. Website ni omo kan de o hwe plane papa ye hwe so yi. Na ye nya ne kama
because eventually
na contract no Corporate mama phase 1 okaya plain sama na the issues na baaye OSP and be clear so akwa report on you be contract na papa hwem me de bia meka every president is not necessarily bad it's the people around them omo de ba papa wa hwem malodina so hwem wa o happy go na lodina happy 3 because adie we MP that Mr. Parliament to because bibi omu oh yankoto ye hia
yes
eje pa
afi o na be hu positions
because I don't me hwene de emu ye kama o happy
but emu efe I mean what our advice is obi aye ne aeroplane yeah be remodeling inside we don't have to remodel BBA. It should come in its original state. You pass a fufu.
No, finally. Also, I take opportunity the actor. Next time, I galam say analysis. Me the baby bidom. Me that's it.
When somebody that's here pay, Eugene Osei-Tutu and Yatin and Kano and pay 3 important major issues and wajibre a digeste. Need na edikano education. Fa ya mofra no so hwa wo tro no afi ni nsunsanso no se ne siko ya yenyina ye kase anko ye tenase na yedi ho nkomo anopa yi. Yesan so ebo wuram se ECG ntumu a mo pe ewo kwan a ye fa so eto saa enyina mahoden ewo ye fie mu ye nwumu mu no ni nyina so no a wonom de mayen no sen pa enete enti omo ankasa data a wode baabo nti omo anyina so a wo kire se saa nsem no nti saa niema no nti na so otomu no na ye doso no na ya hwe se wode to nsane so a sen na etie na sese yi no Ghana nkwa no yentimi nyete se oman ayate ho ye dan a oman no mpanyimfo oman no mu asoafo mpanyimfo a wo oman no mu no obetu kwan ene aman foforo edinsa woso ye kwa sabe ewiemu de ye de wiemu hyen ene beko di se ye wiemu hyen ahodo a ye wo no se ho atochema sa sese ya it is not out of place say ye betu to bi aka ho ba ya ka asem bi se o wefo nsa na wahwe wo de o wefo nsa na wahwe wo de ana se wo nsa ba ko etene obi so a nan na aka ni nyina no ehwe wo so yese techerema ho empro ti asem bia wo ka bia no you judge that with your conscience. What we are going to do is good. It's good for the country, it's good for the safety of the president, it's good for the safety of our men in uniform. Say omo ene ye to amo but zembi edi kan keka okrom hanti no to da na amamfo enyanyina so se ehu hia se ye be ye eno mame na Eugene asibio na abodwafo atena se na